It's vacation time, but I've got business on my mind.
I'm here for a business meet, but getting real-time data is an impossible feat.
Oh God, please give us a genie.
Who's more magical than Houdini?
Hello, Masters! What can I do for you?
Oh, Genie, I'm in a hurry.
Balancing business and vacation is a cause of worry. For everything else, you can bank on me. But to manage your business, even when you're away from it, you need BatchMaster Web ERP.
BatchMaster Web ERP?
Run through a URL and a web browser. It keeps you connected to your business anytime, from anywhere, and any device. Geez, tell us more. You can streamline all your essential operations, like formulation, R&D, sales, procurement, supply chain management, financials, quality control and compliance in a snap and on the go.
What more do we get?
You get speed, cost efficiency, security, scalability, better user experience, and faster reporting. That's so cool. Thank you, Genie. My pleasure, Masters. But thank BatchMaster Web ERP, not me. Manage your process manufacturing business with same ease, even when you're away. Power it with BatchMaster Web ERP.